The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are.
Morning!
Morning!
Hope we're all well today. So it is currently 9 o'clock. It's a lot later than we planned. So yeah, we sort of had a wee bit of a lie-in type thing, didn't we?
Yeah.
Just kind of chilled watching the telly this morning. We did actually think up too late. We are going to head down to breakfast. We are all set and ready to go. All of our stuff is just sitting there. And we've been kind of for the last 5 or 10 minutes looking out our window. So just show you our nice view that we showed you yesterday. I still can't go over this view. Been watching all the planes getting ready to taxi. So oh wait a minute, there's one going out. Let's see if you can see it.
You miss it?
No, it's an American Airlines one. Nope, I've got it. There we go. That's pretty cool. So we have been kind of doing that this morning. We don't have to leave probably what, to 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Currently our plane is delayed half an hour.
But
it'll probably not be that by the time obviously it comes round.
pilot usually puts the foot down. And
Anyway, we are going to head down to breakfast, so let's take you with us. So breakfast, we have cereals, some jam, some oatmeal, Nutella, yogurts and fruits. Because we're a bit late, I think it's quite empty. Toast, juice. There's loads of hot stuff over here with haggis, scrambled egg, baked beans, sausage, bacon, potatoes, Danish, and then a really cool waffle station in the middle. Nearly ready. Ooh. Looking good, looking good. So Robert's got himself like a fry-up type situation.
the links, bacon, haggis, and scrambled egg.
Yep. And I think I'm in America. I've got some Nutella and waffles. Have you tasted your breakfast yet?
Tasted the sausage is nice. I look forward to the haggis.
Haggis.
Never tried haggis before, guys. I'm not telling you what it is, but
this is our front door. Just thought I'd show you a wee bit of the lobby. You've got some seating areas over here. Some overview. Lifts, which you need a key card to get into, so you just use your room key for that. Reception area is here. Some more seating. It's the bar. It goes all the way right back. There's a telly just there, and then there's one way back, and the breakfast area is just there. So that's just a quick overview of reception, and then there's like wee sweets and stuff, cans of juice and things that you can buy to take up to your room. To the airport. Robert's frantically drinking all the juice that he didn't drink that he bought last night.
Wasn't as fast as I thought, guys.
Oh dear, I've got such a cough, but never mind. Anyway, can't wait. It's time to go to check-in. Our plane's still delayed. It's only half an hour, which isn't too bad. But hopefully pilot gets his foot down and then we can get there quicker. So we shot. What's that?
Hopefully there's a bit of a speed demon.
Yes, hopefully. So this room's been great. Can highly recommend staying at the Hampton by Hilton if you're flying from Edinburgh Airport. Bed's super duper comfy. And just all round good food. As we said, wasn't the best. The breakfast was decent actually.
Yeah.
I don't think we've reported on breakfast. I'm not sure, can't remember. It was decent, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What did you had something completely different from me.
Yeah, it was really good. It was warm and there was plenty of selection. That was really nice.
Really nice. Right. So guys, what we'll do is we're going to walk over to the airport. We will then obviously get checked in and all that. Oh, the light here's quite good actually. Get checked in and everything, get through security. And we'll probably catch you after security because that's probably easiest because obviously we'll have all our suitcases and stuff rid of by then. But just one last wee look at this amazing view we've got. Oh wait a minute, there's a plane taking off. There we go. So we've been sitting watching the planes for the last wee while, but it's now time to go to the airport and we will catch you guys at the airport. So I've just came to All Bar One for some food. Just a quick overview of the menu. Some burgers, different mains like lasagna, steaks, such like quesadillas, fish finger wraps, really good. I had that last time. There was a chicken and beef bacon melt. Robert's thinking between that and the meatball wrap, and I'm going to have the chicken quesadilla. The food has arrived, so I've got the chicken quesadilla. Robert's currently stuffing his face with a meatball wrap.
Really nice.
Really good. So it looks delicious, and we shall let you know how it goes. Wasn't it?
Yeah. Well,
It's
I don't really like rushing that.
7 minutes past. Plane's supposed to leave at 15:15, although it is delayed. There's a big queue for boarding. Robert's things were inspired by our friends Steph and Dave today because they seem to always be running for the plane. All Bar One was great.
Yeah,
we kind of went
good.
half and half with our food, didn't we?
Yeah. It's real nice.
Yeah. Robert struggled a bit with the spice of the meatballs, so I helped out. Some nice like that. So we're just going to chill here, wait on the plane. The people from the previous flight from Croatia, it seems to have come in from, are still getting off it. So we're just waiting.
Yeah.
And there's no point in standing in the huge long queue that it is. We can sit here and we're not coming down. So we shall catch you guys on board the
later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So we've eventually made it to the hotel.
Yeah.
It's a lot later than we thought. Somebody's just relaxing watching the telly. But what does he know? We've got a schedule to keep to. So, took a while. Plane was delayed a lot. Then obviously because our hotel changed last minute, they wouldn't drop us off at the new hotel even though we told them when we got here, because that was the soonest we could tell them. They wouldn't drop us off there. They wanted to just drop off at the hotel, so then we had to walk from the old hotel to this one.
And the driver wasn't very helpful.
The driver wasn't very helpful, but he didn't speak much English. But then again, we don't speak any French, so I don't know. But eventually got here, and we can start our holidays. So we'll do a kind of quick tour of the area that we're staying in, the apartment we're staying in. So when you come in the front door, to your right you have the bathroom. It's your shower over the bath, hairdryer, toilet's behind the door, don't think we need to show you that. This door here leads into like a wee kitchenette. It's a fridge, a hot plate, microwave, there's pots and pans, cups, saucers, and there's tea and coffee making facilities, a kettle, there's a cupboard with spare bedding, a safe, we'll figure out how to work that. Let's see what the view is. Just over kind of the shopping centre and that, I think, because we're kind of next to Primark, which is quite good. There's a wee kind of living area here. A wee table. Robert sitting watching the telly already, there's a surprise. Into the bedroom. Just a bed. Nothing much. A tiny wee cupboard. I will say there's hardly any outlets. There's one behind this, and then I can take a plug out here, which I'm assuming is a lamp or something like that, and take that. But that is it. Pretty basic, but it'll do us considering the issues that we had. So we are just going to message our friends Sarah and Phil who are here. They're actually staying in the hotel we're supposed to stay in. So we're going to message them and catch up with them hopefully. The park doesn't close to 10:30 tonight, so we'll head on.
There's the train station, we're going to get the train into Disney. It should only take about 5 minutes and it's not one stop.
Doesn't take very long at all. We bought what, 10 tickets?
We've got a book, I don't know how many.
It's a book of like 10 tickets. It's kind of like 10 singles or something. Train's just pulling in. So we'll catch you guys on the other side. We have arrived! You can see the village in the background. Then we're going to head into the park, get something to eat. But look at that view. That's World of Disney. You've got the Hollywood Tower Hotel, which is nearly finished its refurb since the last time we were here. And you've got the Mickey Water Tower. Now I need to switch these off because I'm just about to go through. Went through a wee special entrance with our annual passes. That never fails to amuse me. What are you excited for tonight? Do you think you're getting Phantom Manor tonight?
Well, I don't know, we'll just see what's
right. Do you know, we've been watching the wait times over the last couple of days and they've been really, really low, so I've been really impressed with that. Last few times we've been here, it's been super busy, so fingers crossed. That's me nearly tripping over my curb. Anyways guys, we're about to see the castle. Look who I found! Phil's back there.
It's talking to Rob.
Yeah. We are just heading to Phantom Manor because the 5-minute wait. So excited because every time we've been here, it'd be closed. So let's see, we're having a great time here. We're just going to go on to Big Thunder Mountain. We've been on Phantom Manor and we're just come off Pirates of the Caribbean. We've got a fast pass at this time of night for Big Thunder. It's never heard of. So we're having an absolutely great time with these two. But we keep getting us lost in this park, guys. I mean, we need a Sally sat-nav on here. Anyway, guys, see you then. In the room. Vlogged a wee bit of illuminations, not too much. We were busy having fun with Sarah and Phil. We had an absolutely fantastic time with them, didn't we?
Oh yeah, it was a great night.
It was a great night. We went on Buzz Lightyear, didn't? Oh yeah, we went on Buzz Lightyear, Phantom Manor, and Big Thunder. Oh hi, Pirates of the Caribbean as well. Buzz Lightyear. Phil came first. He like beat us by miles, like absolutely.
I came last.
Robert came last. I was second, and Sarah was third. Yes. So it was good. It was good bit of banter there. We are just going to head to bed, and then we are going up in the morning, get some breakfast. We've not got any supplies in for the apartment at all. We never really thought that far ahead.
Stores are shut, so we're going to have to make do a couple of biscuits tonight.
I know, we'll be fine, we'll survive. And in the morning we'll get breakfast, head to the parks for early magic hours, extra magic hours, whatever it's magic hours it's called.
Yeah.
And anyway,
Whatever.
what I thought, hi. And we guys will see you in the morning for our first full day. Thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you tomorrow. Bye.
Good night.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow, yo.